Welcome back to 1 Minute Millionaire. We're laughing. We're just about to start filming and the phone started ringing. We got people want to sign up already. We want to make a couple of short videos for you just to give you a taste of what's inside the program. The last one, if you didn't see, just have a look at what we talked about, the why and what it can do for you. But Gerhard, you're really big on this next step, and we break it down piece by piece in the course. But just to give you a bit of a taste, and you call them your internal pillars.
Yes, we spoke about the why. And the 4 internal pillars is the heart, mind, body, and soul. You need to be healthy inside, that you can be there for your clients, for your staff, and to live your passion. But if you're not healthy on those 4 pillars, you're going to break down. And like we said, you have to build the foundation 100% before you build the walls. And this is the foundation.
It's like what we always say. People say, well, is there such a thing as 1 minute millionaires? And there are. But you always use the analogy, it's like a top performing athlete. Yes. You don't walk out tomorrow and say, I'm going to be a track star, a football star, or an ice skating, whatever it is. You actually have to do the training, you have to learn the moves, you have to practice, but you can practice it in as little as 90 days and get yourself there. When you talk about the internal pillars, you mentioned heart, mind, body, and soul. Can you just explain what you actually mean by heart, though? Just give us a taste.
One of the things is we all have bad times in business, and we keep a grudge. And sometimes the grudge you hold against somebody, that person forgot about it. They're going on with their lives, but you sit and you keep that grudge. All this negativity in your life keeps you back. So there's ways that we're going to take you through to get rid of those things that you can move forward. And I think we all have examples of those things in our life.
Well, I can share one. I was running a company and I got thrown off the board, and then the board decided to try and stop me getting back control, take me to court. So I ended up in Supreme Court representing myself. At the end, got the company back. But that was 4.5 years, and I suppose people say, well, you must be bitter, you must be angry, you must be... And I said, well, actually, this wouldn't exist if they hadn't. We wouldn't have a movie studio, we wouldn't be doing our films, we wouldn't be showing people how to create the $1 million and keep it, if those people had not gone on that path. So I've actually got a lot to be grateful for.
Well, I think you've learned a lot as well in the process.
But I learned the law.
You learned the law. But at the end of the day, you don't keep a grudge. And whenever I see you, you're always laughing. Yeah. And that's what it's about. It is having fun as well.
It certainly is. Look, encourage it. Watch the other video. We're going to do the other one after this. So watch all 3. Hope to see you on the course. Look, it is going to cost you that cup of coffee. And it is going to cost you the length of time it would normally take you to drink that cup of coffee. Unless you're a golfer. But you know, we were drinking normally. So about a cup of coffee in 10 minutes. Is the cost of doing this. Look, it'll give you your lifestyle, it'll give you your freedom, it'll create that wealth so you can live the life that you want. And hey, we've got a great community to support it, so it makes it achievable, and join us and become a 1 minute millionaire.